Nigerian law of evidence has just been amended for the first time in about 6 decades, leaving us with the Evidence Act 2011. But while commending the National Assembly for rising to this challenge, particularly as it concerns the admissibility of electronic evidence in court, which was never before envisaged, guests at the public presentation of Sebastian Horn's Law of Evidence in Nigeria called for an equally swift response by the National Assembly to the current difficulty of getting witnesses to testify and give evidence on terrorism cases.
Some of the nation's archaic laws should be our concern, and no effort should be spared to ensure that these laws are periodically reviewed.
Law is a dynamic issue, and once the law is passed, that is just the beginning of the journey. The advent of terrorism and other sharp criminal activities make people afraid to come and testify. So the 2011 Act ought to have also extended its provisions to cover those areas.
St. Horn's Law of Evidence in Nigeria is a 2-volume analysis of Nigerian Evidence Act 2011, written by Sebastian Horn, a senior advocate of Nigeria and a renowned legal writer and practitioner. St. Horn's Law of Evidence in Nigeria is a fitting contribution to the dynamic area of evidence in our courts, and with this, the society gains more.